ago. An energy surge knocked out power across the entire Pacific Northwest. This means someone could figure out exactly what we're dealing with. Realize it doesn't really think you're suggesting. You have no choice. What the? Are you in charge here? Yes, I am. I'm wrong. I'm in charge. Allow me to clarify. In a sequentially ranked hierarchy based on level of critical importance, the disparity between us is too vast to quantify. Agent stuff. The doctor thinks you're basic. Listen, pal. I don't know if you realize I'm sorry, Major. What was your name? Then nobody cares. That's not your name. Meow. Oh, come on. Okay, now I want answers. Basically, it looks like I'm gonna have to save your planet. Oh, is that all you got? No, but thank you for asking. Whatever this creature is, our job is to secure it. Neutralize it. See what makes it tick. Look at this. I took 9 million steps today. Stay in there and be quiet. How much longer? I can't breathe in here.
Do you have your child in that bag?
No. I mean, yes, it's a child, but it's not mine. It's not your child. It smells like body spray in an old ham sandwich.